If you've been using Wise, formerly TransferWise, to receive international payments, convert currencies, or simply hold different foreign funds, a common and very practical question arises. Can I move that money from my Wise account into my regular bank account? As a finance expert, I can confidently tell you the answer is a resounding yes. Transferring funds from your Wise multi-currency account to your local bank account is a core function of the service. It's designed to be a seamless process, allowing you to easily access and utilize the funds you've managed within the Wise ecosystem. Let's break down how this works, why you might want to do it, and what to keep in mind for a smooth transfer experience. The purpose of transferring from Wise to your bank. Why would you want to transfer money from Wise to your traditional bank account? Several reasons come to mind. Local spending. While the Wise debit card is fantastic for international spending, for everyday local expenses like paying rent, local utility bills, or direct debits, your traditional bank account is usually more convenient. Cash withdrawal. If you need physical cash, transferring to your bank account allows you to withdraw funds from your local ATM or bank branch. Consolidation. You might prefer to keep your primary funds in your main bank account for easier management and overview of your total financial picture. Investment or savings. Your local bank might offer specific savings accounts or investment products that you wish to utilize with funds received via Wise. Paying local bills. Many local services or individuals may only accept payments via domestic bank transfers, making it necessary to move the funds first. Wise acts as an excellent intermediary for international transactions, but for purely domestic financial activities, your traditional bank account often remains the go-to. The step-by-step process. Simple and intuitive. Transferring money from your Wise account to your bank account is remarkably straightforward. Wise prioritizes user experience, making the process similar to sending any other payment through their platform. Here's a general outline. Log in to your Wise account. Access your account via the Wise website or their mobile app. Select the desired balance. On your dashboard, you'll see your various currency balances, e.g., USD, GBP, Euro. Choose the currency balance from which you want to send money. Initiate a transfer. Look for an option like Send or Send Money. Enter the amount. Specify how much you want to transfer. You'll likely see a clear breakdown of the amount you're sending, any Wise fees, and the amount your bank account will receive. Choose the recipient. This is a crucial step. Since you're sending to your own bank account, you'll typically select Myself or Send to a new recipient, and then enter your personal bank details. Provide your bank details. You'll need to input the standard banking information for your local account. This usually includes bank name, account name, your name, account number, sort code for UK accounts, routing number for US accounts, IBAN for Euro accounts, or other relevant local bank codes. SWIFT/BIC code if it's an international transfer to your bank, though often not needed for local transfers within the same country as the Wise balance. Wise will guide you on exactly which details are required for your specific country and currency. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, the amount, the recipient bank information, and any fees. This is critical to avoid errors. Authorize the transfer. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the transfer. This might involve two-factor authentication for security. Once confirmed, Wise will process the transfer. You'll typically receive email notifications updating you on the status of your transfer, from initiation to completion. Key considerations for Wise to bank transfers. While the process is simple, there are a few important factors to keep in mind. Fees. Wise charges a small, transparent fee for transfers. This fee varies depending on the currency, the amount, and sometimes the payment method, though for withdrawing from your Wise balance, it's usually a standard transfer fee. Always review the fee breakdown before confirming. Exchange rates, if applicable, if you're transferring money from a Wise balance in one currency, e.g. USD, to a bank account in a different currency, e.g. NGN, Wise will convert the funds at the mid-market exchange rate, plus their transparent fee. If you're transferring from a Wise balance in the same currency as your bank account, e.g. Euro balance to Euro bank account, no currency conversion takes place, and you'll typically only pay a small fixed withdrawal fee. Transfer limits. Wise has transfer limits, which can vary based on the currency, the type of Wise account, personal or business, and your verification status. These limits are usually quite high for bank transfers, but it's always good practice to check the Wise app or website for the most up-to-date information regarding limits for your specific transaction. Verification. For security and regulatory compliance, Wise may occasionally require additional verification for large transfers or if there's unusual activity on your account. This might involve providing proof of funds or identity documents. This is a standard procedure for financial institutions to keep your money safe and combat financial crime. Processing times. Transfers from Wise to bank accounts are often very fast, with many reaching the recipient bank account within minutes or a few hours, especially for major currencies during business hours.